Which court, where, and when? It's very important that you find out where you must file your lawsuit, what you can ask for in your lawsuit, and how long you have to file your lawsuit. The answer to these questions tells you about the jurisdiction of your case. Jurisdiction is the power of a court to decide a case. You have to make sure you file your lawsuit in the right jurisdiction so your case can be resolved. Where should you file your lawsuit? The general rule is that you start your court case in the county where the dispute is, or where the defendant or respondent lives or does business. This is called venue. Read the Code of Civil Procedure section 392 and after to find out where to file your case. Reading your judicial counsel forms when you start your lawsuit will also help you figure out where to file your case. You may be able to get the information you need by calling your local court clerk or the small claims advisor or on the internet. What can you sue for? You can usually sue for money, for the judge to order someone to do something or stop doing something, or both. If you want the court to order the other person to do something or to stop doing something, this is called an injunction or a restraining order. You have to go to the court in your county that handles those types of cases. If you're also asking for money in your lawsuit, like a divorce or a restraining order, there may be a different court in your county for your case. You can find out this information by calling your county clerk's office. How much can you sue for? The amount you sue for can also decide where to file your case. If you're asking for $7,500 or less, and this is not a lawsuit between you and your spouse or domestic partner, you can go to small claims court. If you're suing for more than $7,500, but no more than $25,000, you will go to the limited jurisdiction court. If you're suing for more than $25,000, you will go to the unlimited jurisdiction court. For example, if the case is about real property, like a house, the case should be filed in the county where the property is, and then in the court in that county determined by the cash value of the case. For example, an eviction case in Pittsburgh, California, would be in the limited jurisdiction court in the Delta Courthouse in Pittsburgh. But if the case was about who owned that house, the case is probably worth more than $25,000 and would be in the unlimited jurisdiction court in Martinez. How long do I have to file my lawsuit? It's very important that you know how long you have to file your lawsuit. This is called the statute of limitations. Depending on what kind of case you have, you can have 1 year to file a lawsuit, 2 years, or even more. You can look up the statute of limitations for different types of cases in the Code of Civil Procedure 335 to 366.3. Some cases get started whenever the time is right for you, like divorces. At the beginning of your case, you might want to talk to a lawyer to help you answer all these questions. You can call your local bar association's attorney reference panel to get a low-cost consultation, or check out any self-help workshops or legal aid agencies to get you started. If you're good on the computer, you might be able to research it for yourself. You can also ask for help at your local law library.